Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron. Real quick announcement before the video begins. We're going to be doing some giveaways. Every 100 subscribers, we're going to do a drawing. It's going to be t-shirts, stickers, posters, other cool automotive related stuff. So do me a favor before you watch the video, hit subscribe, give it a thumbs up, and leave a comment, and you will be entered in these drawings. And every time we hit another milestone, we'll do another drawing. As we get more subscribers, we'll do better drawings. So keep subscribing, keep liking those videos, keep commenting on them, and we'll see you soon. Enjoy the video. Really? Hey guys, it's Mike with Old Iron, and this is the next mini project, we'll call it. And what I'm thinking is, I've always wanted to redo one of these. From here up, it's actually aluminum, so I want to try to polish that. And I want to try to restore this, but either do it in like a seafoam green, or I was thinking about where it's white, flat blacken it, and doing what's gold almost in a let's kind of make it look like flame scallops or something. I don't know. You've got that there. That one's hard to see. There's one up above the windows. The inside's ratty. It's gonna need we're gonna kilt the whole thing, and I'm just gonna paint it, and then I'm gonna pick away at all this crap that they just buggered in there and actually caulk it right. Might see if we could polish that too. It's like a gold bug shield. Getting rid of the air unit, replacing that window, and then working on the mechanicals. But you see the inside. I mean, it's solid, but it's ugly, man. I mean, here, I'll give you an idea. Ooh, pretty. You know, the floor, I've got new flooring for it. I'm going to rebuild this. It's where my carpenter skills will come up. And I think I'm going to leave the shaggy chic curtains. Now we're going to replace the curtains. I'm going to paint the whole thing. I want to kind of give it a 50s vibe. And we're either going to use it, or I'm going to use it until I sell it. I'll stick a for sale sign in it, you know. Take it to the car shows, use it, and somebody hands me a pocket full of cash, I sleep on the ground. Gonna redo some of the trim. This is a big closet. I thought, I don't know if you can see that, I thought it was a bathroom. You know, so we might turn it into a bathroom. I don't know. And I just pulled this off my truck. We went and got it yesterday. And that was unique in itself. I mean, people were real nice. They were both deaf. And I don't mean hard of hearing. I mean 100% deaf. I do not know sign language. So this guy's trying to back up a trailer to get it out of the way, and I'm trying to guide him, and he can't hear me. It was sketchy. It's the best way I can put it. But we all did the best we could, and we got it done, you know. But really nice people. Really nice people. It was just, there was definitely a communication barrier. So what should have took about 45 minutes ended up taking 5 freaking hours. And 5 hours to get this thing on my truck. So I'm exhausted. I ain't doing much today. And I just wanted to shoot a video on this. It's got a newer fridge. I've got another fridge, if that one's kind of sketchy. I want to show you the extent of the funk. I mean, this... I don't know what the hell it is, but we'll figure it out. There's a, beautiful there. Everything is crusty. Kind of afraid. And smells like pee really, really bad, man. You can kind of see. Kind of afraid to do this. Yeah, I think I'm going to use the other fridge. Oh, okay. It goes back. I mean, there's... That looks like a thermostat. So, I'm guessing... Oh, look. It's got a cigarette lighter. Sink is beyond nasty. It's got those cool little retro speakers. I'm really afraid to open some of this stuff. Something jumps out, you will see it first. There's that little thing there. I don't know. Speakers ain't hooked up either. I'll probably put a little radio right there or something. Might as well, yeah. And Milwaukee's best sunshade. I don't know if this is functional. Let me get back. If not, I'm gonna have to replace this. And man, it stinks in here. First thing I'm gonna do is take all the doors off. And I mean, you could. It smells rank in here. Oh, look, it's got the manufacturing crap on there. That's cool. Need a latch on that. And get rid of this godforsaken mirror, man. It's driving me nuts. Get rid of those. Open these. That one's busted. Oddly enough, they all work, man. You know what I mean? Try to get some fresh air in here. It stinks bad. It's supposed to be nice the next couple days too, so get rid of this crap. I gotta find there's one here, but I'm gonna check Amazon and online and stuff like that. I'm gonna repanel this, and I gotta get out of here, man. God, I don't know what that is, but it scares me. There's an electrical outlet. There's bare wire. There's a thing hooked to another thing that kind of transfers over to another thing. And then there's a fuse box with the breaker bypassed. There's a battery down there. Oh, look, there's breakers down there. Yeah, I'm guessing that might be the hot water heater. I don't know. And I'm really scared to open this. Ooh, sexy. Whoa, scared the crap out of me. So, I mean, it all needs to come apart. And definitely a good scrubbing. This is not helping. Just throwing that out there, man. Let's see. That one's actually fairly clean. That means the possum's going to be over here. Ooh. Oh. It's got the other thing for this. That's cool. Let me get out of here. Oh. I Gotta get all the lights working. I mean, that just looks as redneck as can be, you know. That's broke right there. And then you have this here, which is for an LP tank. It's got another outlet there, but I don't trust the outlets, man. That's a small LP tank. I don't think a normal size LP tank is going to fit in there. I'll have to figure that out. Yeah, fix that a little bit, man. But that's what we're looking at. You know. And we'll see what we can do with it. Stay tuned, man. Alright, guys. If you'd like to follow along and watch the progress of this little project, please like it, share, subscribe, hit the little notification bell, and that way you'll get updates anytime we post a new video on this. Hopefully it goes quick. Structurally it's good, so it mostly looks all cosmetic and mechanical by the looks of it, but that ain't that too big of a deal. So we're gonna get moving on it, probably in the next week or so, man. I got a couple other things I gotta take care of. But once we start, we'll get some more videos out, and we'll see you soon.